Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about multiplication of surds. We said that we can multiply surds. How do we do that? Let's see. Very simple. We have an example where it says root 3 times root 11. Root 3 times root 11. We simply multiply the 3 and the 11. 3 times 11 is 33. So our answer is root 33. It is that simple. We just multiply the numbers. Root 33 is the answer. Another example. Root 2 times root 7. Root 2 times root 7. Very easy. 2 times 7, root 14. Let's do some examples and understand it and show you how to set it up. These examples, we can actually follow the same rules. Root 6 times root 5. Root 6 times root 5, 6 times 5, root 30. Can we simplify? No, we can't. That's our answer. Root 30 is our final answer. This one here, 3 root 3 times 2 root 7. So we don't just have roots, we also have whole numbers as well. So what do? Simple. These multiply together and the roots multiply together. So 3 times 2 is 6. And root 3 times root 7 is 21. So 6 root 21. 3 times 2, 6. And 3 times 7, 21. 6 root 21. Can we simplify? No, we can't. It stays that way. What do we do next? We do the next one here. 3. It stays that way. The next one. 3 root 2 times 5 root 13. 3 root 2 times 5 root 13. We multiply these together and the roots together. 3 times 5, 15. Root 2 times 13, 26. 15 root 26. Can we simplify? No, we can't. There are no two numbers here that multiply to get 26 and one of them is square roots. Remember, we always ask ourselves, can we simplify? No, we can't in this case. 5 root 5 times 2 root 15. What do? The roots times together and the numbers times together. 5 times 2 is 10. And root 5 times root 15. 5 times 15, you can grab your calculator if you like, is 75. 10 root 75. Is that our final answer? We need to ask, can we simplify? Well, yes, in this case we can. Root 75 can be simplified. We can't leave our answer like that. We have to simplify, guys. Very important. So 10 stays outside. How do we simplify? Remember, we have to look for two numbers that multiply to get 75. One of them must square root. In this case here, 25 times 3. 25 times 3 makes 75. Which one square roots? The 25 square roots. It becomes a 5. So when it comes outside, we already have a 10. And we know there's an invisible times here. So the 5, when it comes outside, it becomes 5 times 10. So times the 5 times the square root 3. So I'm breaking it down for you here. The 25 square roots becomes a 5. 5 times 10, 50 root 3. That's our answer. 50 root 3 is our final answer. Make sure that we always ask, can we simplify?